the reasons why women should have sex. Often. Always. This is the topic of my discussion today with my followers. If you are a woman, okay, you are in a relationship, you are in marriage. In fact, let me add that this lesson is mainly for married people, because you are in marriage. You are supposed to understand the importance of sexual intercourse. You are supposed to understand the importance of sex. And we are going to see such importance now. The reasons why the people in marriage, in very close relationships, sexual relationships, should have sex more often. A lot of people believe that having sex, is to make babies, for procreation. I am going to shock you today to teach you that this issue of having baby or procreation, I'll bring them last. I will show you 15 reasons a woman should have sex more often. Should have sex often. Always. I will give you 15 reasons, not just the 2 that you know, that is to make babies, okay? Do you even know 2? That's what some people know. 1, to make babies. Now, hear this before we continue. If you are someone who normally feel pain during sexual intercourse, when penis enters into your vagina and you feel pain, whether deep or superficial, maybe you're suffering from what we call vaginismus, maybe you're suffering from what we call dyspareunia, and dyspareunia, painful sexual intercourse, may have several causes. Okay, now you just need to go consult your doctor. The doctors are in the various hospitals in different towns. Meet your obstetrician, meet your gynecologist, meet your reproductive health experts. They're everywhere. Okay, so that the cause should be traced and treated first before you can understand the importance of sex. If you think that there's something about sex you don't like, you need to meet your reproductive health experts. You may be having sex in dreams, okay? You may need spiritual help, okay? Because it is obvious you have a spiritual spouse or some spiritual hold up that you need breakthrough, okay? Now, it is very important that you understand some women don't have feeling for sex. They have loss of libido. Sexual desire completely reduces. Some women just do sex for how or do. No, it is wrong. If sex has never been interesting, put a question mark in your life. You can meet even your pastor or your spiritualist in any form, and you might need deliverance. Or you have lower abdominal pain, maybe you're suffering from some pelvic inflammatory disease, please go consult. Because people who will enjoy sex and even benefit from all the reasons why sex is important, the people are the ones that do not have infections or inflammatory processes in the lower abdomen. Now, you will listen very well. Let me give you 15 reasons why sex is good for women and why women should have sexual intercourse more often. Number 1, sex keeps a woman in touch with her femininity. What did I say? A woman needs to feel the woman in her. I have repeated this video strictly for people who are married. Why is sex important in marriage? This is first reason. Because it keeps a woman in touch with her femininity. A woman feels satisfied being the woman. The woman feels like the woman in her is happy, is contented. She can be more submissive. She can play the role of the woman naturally with no grudges anywhere. She feels proud to say that she is a woman. Number 2 reason why a woman should have sexual intercourse in her marriage. Sex keeps the lady fit. It is an exercise. You get, when a woman gets active during sexual intercourse, she doesn't just lie there like a log of wood. She understands that the moment of sex is a happy moment and a moment for her to express the deeper woman in her. And so she needs to be active. That's the moment she's not shy. She doesn't feel ashamed to kiss, to fondle, to nipple, to touch, to spread her legs, to wind her waist. In fact, to even take charge and pass on top and even sweat. And these exercises, sometimes we like to tell people that eat well, do exercises well, and then we try to shy away from mentioning sex. But if you begin to do sex and lie there as quiet as it is, as if you were just offering something to a man, then sex cannot help you keep fit. But it helps the women keep fit. Number 3, sex brings higher chances of bonding. She bonds better with her spouse. She communicates better. She feels more safe, more secure in the presence of her spouse. She feels proud to show that this is her man and happy to be in this relationship. Now, they understand themselves. Understanding between the flow, emotionally attached. She feels emotionally attached. She sees her partner, her spouse, as the Lord, my Lord. Okay? Bonding. Number 4, sex improves good blood circulation. Okay? And keeps the health of the heart health very fine. Therefore, sex reduces chances for high blood pressure. Sex, helps a woman to understand herself well. To say that a woman understands herself well, she understands her menstrual cycle well. She understands when she's fertile and when she's not fertile. That is when she's ovulating and when she is not ovulating. Especially those who have been having irregular menses, just regular sexual intercourse, that you do it with all your mind, with all the love. With time, you automatically notice your menstrual cycle getting regulated. Number 6, sex improves the immune system. Did you know that? Sex improves, and promotes and builds the immune system. Because with sexual stimulation, there is a secretion of a hormone called immunoglobulin A. This is secreted during sex. This strengthens the immune system and fights even disease. So you find a lady who has been sexually active and who has always active. She goes for many years without chances of getting sick. You cannot easily get sick because your immune system is active and defends and fights infection and fight disease. Number 7, sex reduces pain and inflammation. Sex reduces pain and inflammation, in the entire body of the woman, reducing menstrual pain. Those who have satisfactory sex and they're satisfied with their sexual life, they hardly face menstrual pain. And even those who are suffering from menstrual pain, waist pain, and other, just active, happy sex, does away with this, because there are substances that are secreted during sexual stimulation that also help to relax the muscles and reduce inflammation and reduce pain. Number 8, prostaglandins bring about orgasm and keep you happy. You feel good. There's something that makes a woman just naturally feel good. Because when she has sex, she reaches an apex of the sex. We call it orgasm. Now, ask yourself what happened. These prostaglandins are chemical substances that are secreted. They can cause uterine muscles to contract. And it is not only uterine muscles, they cause all smooth muscles around the body, even right to the brain. They contract at a particular moment during sex. And when they contract, and you find somebody can go and feel like life is nice and feel like life is good. You see? Somebody who is not having the possibility of having sex and regularly, how can he benefit from this? A woman that has a free heart and more happy and people can cope with her in the society, where is that one who has regular sex and is happy with? A lot of women vent their angers and transfer aggressions, not knowing that it is because of unsatisfied sexual emotions. Unsatisfied sexual emotions cause a lot of ladies to become rowdy, become nuisance, become naughty. Okay, some of the women they begin to transfer aggression. Some can beat the child in the house just for nothing, instead of beating your husband. If the husband has offended you and then you are not satisfied with sex, why would you transfer it to another person? Even neighbors don't even sleep well because of you. Sometimes ask yourself, are you really satisfied with sex in the marriage? That may just be one reason. Number 9, sex improves sleep pattern. This prostaglandin, these chemical substances we are talking about, when in the course of sex, they are rising in level. At one moment, they bring about orgasm, and when a lady has orgasm during sex, it relaxes even the brain. And after that, you now breathe. You go through a phase we call resolution. I will bring up another video to teach us the sexual response cycle. That is not now. You will now see that after sex, you can lie down, some sweet sleep, some cool, calm sleep enters your head. That is the importance of sex. Number 10, sex strengthens pelvic floor muscles. Down your underbelly, the lower abdomen, whether they are the muscles of the womb, of the fallopian tube, of the bladder, of the anus, of the what, those muscles around there, they seem to be very healthy. They function well, reducing chances of you having some form of incontinence, whether it's incontinence of physics or whatever. No, the chances reduce just with satisfactory sex. Number 11, sex delays menopause. Hey. My dear, some ladies even reach menopause as early as 35 years. Who is happy? Which lady is happy to reach menopause that early? But those that are very happy in their marital homes and they enjoy sex and have sex more often, there is, the level of what we call estrogens. Level of estrogens remain at higher levels. So because they are being stimulated always. And this delays the coming of menopause. And ladies that are happy and have sex frequently, they don't quickly reach menopause. They can even go up to about 60 years and they have not yet reached menopause. Yes, it's possible. Sex, yes. Number 12, sex regulates menstrual cycle, especially with those that have irregular menstrual cycle. That is already an importance. At the time when a lady feels stressed, the menstrual pain can double that pain and finish you. But sex relaxes and brings happiness and less pain. Number 13, sex gives chance of getting pregnant. Are you just having the sex? At the time you need pregnancy, you wish that this particular sex could end with pregnancy. Yes, because if you don't have sex, pregnancy will not come. When I touch this point, I wonder why some women are in some marital relationship, but they refuse sex. Always. Some women will even say, no, I'm not there, without even thinking whether she needs a child or not. Are you going to drink it with water? Are you going to carry it in a glass and drink? You have the pregnancy through sex. So I would really expect a lot of women to watch this video and share to your friends, to your groups, to whatever. Let them understand about this. Especially, I say, for people who are married or in very strong relationships. This video is not to promote any form of sexual promiscuity amongst singles, but it is to promote sexual life in marriage. Very important. The areas that a lot of people shy away from teaching. I am your reproductive health expert who will discuss all of that with you. Number 14. Sex reduces or seduces, not reduces. Sex seduces your partner. Do you know that regular sex keeps your man to you? Do you need to be moving around and catching some ladies and accusing them for dating your man? Maybe they'll handle your man better. How have you handled him in bed? Good sex, good activeness during sex, good participation, in fact, good mindset, in fact, love, submissiveness, whatever, because good sex brings all of this. All of that will keep your man to you. Number 15, sex from a clean mind improves prayer life. So the couple grows spiritually. Do you know that when a woman has good sex from the man, she prays for the man. She tells God, oh God, bless my husband. Bless the works of his hands. Oh God, and when a woman prays for a man from the depth of her heart, it comes to pass. If you like this video, subscribe, like, share, make your comments. My name is Dr. David Ayim, a reproductive health expert and a PhD holder in public health. Thank you.